حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. Go, go, go.
On the afternoon of September 15th, 2025, Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province in China, was hit by relentless, continuous rainfall, causing severe flooding, damaging roads, and triggering widespread emergency response efforts from early morning until midday. Heavy rain poured over major districts including Jingjiang, Wuhou, and Qingyang, submerging streets and seriously disrupting daily life. Meteorological authorities confirmed that 12 monitoring stations recorded record-breaking rainfall, while 35 other stations logged continuous heavy rain. People's Park, one of the city's central locations, recorded a peak of 185 millimeters in just a few hours, marking one of the heaviest downpours in Chengdu this year. The sudden rainfall struck during the morning commute, amplifying its impact on daily routines. Videos and photos shared by residents showed intersections completely submerged, cars trapped with water reaching their windows, and buses halted while attempting to navigate flooded streets. In some neighborhoods, water entered subway entrances, partially submerging underground tracks, raising concerns about Chengdu's drainage capacity.
天哪，好大的雨啊！看看，好大的雨啊！哇，有些人家里都满水了。这回这个雨好大好大。
The flooding highlighted the challenges faced by urban infrastructure during extreme weather events and raised questions about whether public transportation systems can withstand increasingly intense storms. By early afternoon, at 1:50 p.m., the Chengdu Meteorological Observatory raised the warning level to red, the highest possible alert, indicating that multiple districts could receive over 120 millimeters of rain within just 3 hours. Authorities emphasized that densely populated urban areas and low-lying residential neighborhoods faced a significant risk of sudden water accumulation, threatening both property and public infrastructure. As the storm intensified, visibility dropped sharply, and strong gusts of wind drove rain against tall buildings. Emergency workers acted swiftly to open manhole covers and accelerate drainage to mitigate the impact. At the same time, Chengdu officials launched a Level 3 flood emergency response to address the crisis. The plan mobilized 28 city-based rescue teams with 280 trained personnel, reinforced by 50 district-level units with 520 members, all on 24-hour standby. These teams coordinated with local offices, neighborhood committees, and township responders to streamline communication, speed up evacuations, and provide on-the-ground relief. Residents reported seeing rescue boats operating on deeply flooded streets and crews securing unstable roads while assisting people trapped in vehicles. Zhou Wei, chief forecaster at the Sichuan Meteorological Observatory, explained that the Chengdu floods were part of a larger weather system spreading across southwestern China in mid-September. He warned of continued heavy rainfall, swollen rivers, and increasing landslide hazards, particularly in Sichuan's hilly and mountainous terrain. The combined effect of saturated soil and rising runoff increased the risk of infrastructure collapse, landslides, and riverbank failures, exposing both rural and urban areas to serious danger in the coming days. The flooding also revealed deeper weaknesses in Chengdu's urban infrastructure. Despite drainage upgrades in recent years, the rapid pace of city expansion has outstripped improvements. Paved areas have increased, while green spaces have decreased, limiting natural absorption capacity. The result was extensive urban waterlogging affecting residential neighborhoods, commercial districts, and major transportation arteries. Businesses were forced to close, commuters stranded, and emergency repairs deployed, creating significant financial and social disruption. As Chengdu faced one of its most severe flood events in recent memory, the resilience of its residents and emergency services was clearly on display. Communities, rescue teams, and officials worked side by side to minimize harm and restore essential services. The devastation stands as a stark reminder of the raw power of nature and the necessity of preparedness. For observers both nationally and internationally, Chengdu's ordeal underscores the urgent need to upgrade infrastructure, improve adaptation strategies, and support those affected by recurring natural disasters. Thank you for watching Extreme Weather, where we analyze the most severe natural events. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel running. Hit the bell so you never miss an important report. Please note that some footage in this video may be illustrative and may not accurately reflect the events described. See you in the next video. Stay informed and stay safe.
烟成这个样子，这水流成这个样子，哎呦，哎。
草地啊，ข้างน้อยมาทางซ้ายอ่ะข้างน้อยมาก่อนอ่ะค่อย
The world changing, disasters are no longer rare, they are reality. You cannot predict the next earthquake, flood or wildfire, but you can choose how ready you are. This channel isn't just here to inform, it's here to wake people up before it's too late. So if you're watching this now, take it as a sign. Don't just scroll, don't just watch, subscribe, learn and prepare. Because awareness isn't fear, it's power.